It's a little more important, I feel, to actually just make it happen. You know, don't talk about it, don't bring it up, don't try to explain, just do it, right? Let that speak for itself, you know, because actions are going to speak a lot louder than words. And I feel like just the idea of, you know, having to like convince, let's just say the universe per se, that you're going to get after it, I mean, I think there's an angle where you could look at it, or you could look at that as though it's stemming from potentially an internal self-doubt of, like, you know, having to defend yourself, right? I mean, it's, you know, you're not guilty if you call your lawyer, but, you know, in the court of public opinion, that's just kind of basic psychology, right? So if you're trying to convince everybody you're going to get after it, shit, man, I might question just, you know, just how you're going to act if it's just you alone.